Haisan Amusement. From water park planning and design, to manufacturing and construction, and operations management, we deliver end-to-end solutions, guided by our mission, creating extraordinary experiences, building dream parks, successfully delivering 1,000+ water park projects worldwide, across 25 provinces in China and 60+ countries worldwide, showcasing Made in China and China service on the global stage. A leader in the water attractions industry, we have built 8 product series with 300+ attractions, continuously setting new industry benchmarks to overcome seasonal operation challenges. We redefine what's possible. Introducing year-round water park solutions, together with Kaiyuan Senbo Resorts, setting the benchmark for the Hotel Plus Water Park model. Wuhan Urban Construction Kaiyuan Senbo Resort, a new tourism landmark in central China. The new Super Magic Space Slide Tower makes its debut. Interstellar Spin meets Super Tornado for next-level thrills, elevating every guest experience. Hangzhou Tianmu Future Valley Water World, inspired by future nature exploration, introducing a new model for year-round operation, featuring the iconic 80m high tower slide complex. The immersive Sky Ice Slide. And China's first super rolling slide, together with many signature attractions. Over 20 years of innovation, Haisan has built an ecosystem powered by technology, inspired by creativity, connected through service. More than a manufacturer, a trusted partner for investors, a creator of unforgettable guest experiences, a leader shaping the future of the industry.